Hi everyone, this is DailyChilli. I'm here posting this on Friday, which is a bit late. I usually do this every Monday or Tuesday, but today, actually this week, I've been a bit busy working on a new project for one of the Shanghai brands. And it's about an Asian modern style restaurant, so we'll keep you updated on this. Also this week I saw very good friends, actually from university. She lives in Atlanta, and I saw her with her husband, so it was very cool. What else? Also, I've been thinking to open an account for Instagram, but it will be more for marketing purposes, so it will be attached to my website Traffic, which is a website that I post all my work and everything related with my work as a designer, also brand consultant. Also been rehearsing with my friends. Actually, we're planning to record a song next week, so also we'll keep you updated on that. Another thing that I've been doing this week actually is from a post that I did last week, talking about the danger of 5G networks. So actually today I watched a video talking about why wireless, that we should be aware of the wireless in our home, especially for kids. So for those who has kids, this is going to be very interesting for you guys. So I'm going to put all the details in the description below on this video. So that's it for me now. Today's password for my daily journal is wireless. Okay, see you guys. Bye.